Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're on the hunt for a powerful yet compact computer, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best mini laptops for 2024. Whether you're a student, a professional on the go, or just looking for a compact powerhouse, we've got you covered. These mini laptops combine portability with impressive performance, making them perfect for any task. If you want more information on the updated price of the product, make sure to check the product links below in the description box. So, let's get started. Number 5. RUGLINE Portable Mini Laptops 2024. Introducing the RUGLINE Portable Mini Laptop 2024. This compact powerhouse is designed to make your life easier with its sleek all-aluminum body and cutting-edge features. The RUGLINE Portable Mini Laptop features a stunning CNC-carved aluminum body. Crafted from 6000 series aviation-grade aluminum, it's lightweight yet incredibly durable. Weighing just 0.65 kilograms and measuring only 18.5 centimeters by 14.1 centimeters, this laptop is built for portability. With a 7-inch touchscreen boasting a resolution of 1280 by 800 pixels, every interaction is clear and responsive. Whether you're taking notes, sketching, or navigating through your work, the 10-point touchscreen and 2048 pressure sensitivity offer exceptional versatility. Speaking of notes, this mini laptop supports original handwritten notes, perfect for jotting down ideas or making annotations with ease. The 2 million pixel front camera ensures that your video calls are sharp and detailed, bringing your virtual meetings to life. Under the hood, the RUGLINE Portable Mini Laptop is powered by an Intel Celeron N4000 processor. This quad-core processor, with a clock speed ranging from 2.0 GHz to 2.7 GHz, delivers smooth performance for everyday tasks. Combined with 8 GB of LPDDR4 RAM, multitasking becomes a breeze. For storage, you have options ranging from 128 GB to a whopping 2 TB of M2 solid-state drive. This high-speed SSD not only offers ample space, but also ensures rapid read and write speeds, so you can access your files and launch applications in no time. Connectivity is top-notch with support for 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz dual-band Wi-Fi, as well as Bluetooth 4.2. Whether you're streaming, downloading, or connecting to various peripherals, you'll experience fast and reliable connections. The RUGLINE Mini Laptop comes equipped with an advanced cooling system featuring both copper sheets and a fan. This setup ensures efficient heat dissipation, so your laptop stays cool even during intensive tasks. And let's not forget the full-size keyboard and integrated mouse. The keyboard offers comfortable typing with accurate rebound, while the built-in mouse enhances precision for all your navigation needs. Number 4. Crelander P8 Touchscreen 360 Mini Laptop. The Crelander P8 is an 8-inch mini laptop that transforms into a tablet with its innovative 360-degree rotating hinge. This feature lets you use the P8 in multiple modes, as a laptop for productivity or as a tablet for more casual use. The P8 is powered by the latest Intel Alder Lake N100 processor. With 4 cores and 4 threads and a maximum frequency of 3.4 GHz, this processor offers smooth performance for both demanding applications and everyday tasks. It even outperforms desktop processors like the Intel Core i7-8700K in many scenarios. This mini laptop is incredibly lightweight, weighing just 0.78 kilograms, making it perfect for travel. Its compact 8-inch body integrates advanced operation and maintenance functions, allowing you to handle debugging, remote operations, and real-time monitoring with ease. One of the standout features of the P8 is its 8-inch full high-definition IPS touchscreen with a resolution of 1280 by 800 pixels. The screen offers a brightness of 300 nits, delivering clear and vibrant visuals from any angle, thanks to the wide 178-degree viewing angle. The P8 also supports a 1024-level pressure-sensitive stylus. When in tablet mode, you can use the stylus for creative drawing, note-taking, document signing, and more. The device supports 10-point multi-touch, making it incredibly versatile for various tasks. The all-aluminum alloy body of the P8 not only looks sleek, but is also durable. The unibody design, crafted using CNC precision carving and a 36-step process, ensures a lightweight yet sturdy build. For typing enthusiasts, the P8 features a full-sized QWERTY keyboard with a chiclet design. This layout provides comfortable and efficient typing, perfect for both work and play. Equipped with a 2-megapixel front camera, the P8 ensures clear video calls with a wide field of view. The camera's high-definition quality is perfect for virtual meetings and staying connected with friends and family. The P8 runs on Windows 11, bringing you the latest operating system features and improvements. You can enjoy the new user interface, start menu, and even run Android applications. With Wi-Fi 6 technology, the P8 offers enhanced data transmission performance, up to 2.4 gigabits per second. The P8 is also equipped with a 3200 mAh battery, providing up to 6 hours of usage on a single charge. Plus, with the 30-watt power delivery fast charging, you can quickly recharge and stay productive. Additional features include built-in stereo speakers with enhanced bass, a variety of I/O ports including USB 3.0, HDMI, and a full-function Type-C port, making the P8 an incredibly versatile device. Number 3. Intel N95 2-in-1 360 Gaming Mini Laptop. Let's start with the standout feature of this laptop, its versatile 2-in-1 design. With a 360-degree flip hinge, you can effortlessly switch between laptop and tablet modes. Whether you're working on a presentation, streaming your favorite show, or sketching out your next big idea, this device adapts to your needs with just a simple flip. Experience an immersive visual experience with the 10.95-inch IPS touchscreen display. Boasting a resolution of 2000 by 1200 pixels, this screen brings your content to life with stunning clarity and vibrant colors. The multi-touch functionality makes navigation smooth and intuitive. Under the hood, the Intel N95 processor powers this device with remarkable speed and efficiency. Featuring 4 cores and 4 threads and a frequency that can reach up to 3.40 gigahertz, this processor ensures that you can handle multiple tasks quickly and effectively. The 6 megabytes of cache and support for DDR5 memory further enhance its performance. With 16 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM, you have ample high-bandwidth memory for seamless multitasking. The laptop also comes with a generous storage capacity of either 512 gigabytes or 1 terabyte of NVMe solid-state drive, allowing for lightning-fast access to your files and applications. Whether you're gaming, editing, or managing large projects, this device has you covered. The Intel N95 2-in-1 touchscreen 360-degree flip laptop comes with Windows 11 Professional pre-installed. This operating system enhances your workflow with its user-friendly interface and advanced security features. One of the most impressive features is the laptop's waterproof keyboard. Designed to withstand up to 330 milliliters of liquid splashes, it's built to endure various usage environments. This feature helps protect the internal components of your laptop, ensuring that it keeps performing smoothly even if accidents happen. Number 2. Let's start with the powerhouse performance of the GPD WinMax 2. Equipped with an AMD Ryzen 7 8840U processor featuring 8 cores and 16 threads and a peak frequency of up to 5.1 GHz, this device delivers exceptional speed and efficiency. It's paired with an AMD Radeon 780M graphics processing unit capable of reaching 2700 MHz, providing desktop-class performance in a compact handheld form. The GPD WinMax 2 features a 10.1-inch IPS touchscreen with a resolution of 1920 by 1200 pixels, and it supports up to 2560 by 1600 resolution. With a pixel density of 299 pixels per inch, the visuals are crisp and vibrant. The 16:10 aspect ratio ensures that you get an immersive experience, whether you're gaming or working. Connectivity is a breeze with the comprehensive I/O suite. The GPD WinMax 2 includes one USB 4 port, one USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C port, one USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-A port, and an OcuLink port for external graphics processing unit expansion. It also comes with HDMI, microSD, and SD card readers, making it versatile for both gaming and professional use. This device packs 32 gigabytes of LPDDR5X RAM running at 7,500 megatransfers per second, along with a 2 terabyte M.2 NVMe solid-state drive. This setup ensures lightning-fast load times and ample storage, whether you're diving into the latest games or working on demanding projects. Designed with ergonomics in mind, the GPD WinMax 2 features a QWERTY keyboard with a 2-level backlight, a precision touchpad, and dedicated gaming controls that can be discreetly hidden when not in use. The device is powered by a 67-watt-hour battery, providing up to 14 hours of light use, making it perfect for a modern mobile lifestyle. One of the standout features is the exclusive OcuLink port, which supports the GPD G1N external graphics processing unit. This feature offers performance that surpasses the NVIDIA RTX 3070, expanding the device's capabilities. It supports up to 3 displays simultaneously, making it a powerful workstation as well as a handheld gaming PC. Number 1. GPD Win 4 Handheld Gaming Mini PC. Let's start with the powerhouse inside the GPD Win 4. It's equipped with the AMD Ryzen 7 8840U processor, which features 8 cores and 16 threads. With a base frequency of 3.3 GHz and a maximum turbo frequency of up to 5.1 GHz, this processor ensures you have the power to tackle any game or application with ease. It's paired with the AMD Radeon 780M graphics card, boasting 12 graphics cores and a graphics frequency of 2700 MHz. The GPD Win 4 features a 6-inch high-definition IPS touchscreen display with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels. The screen has a 16:9 aspect ratio and a pixel density of 368 pixels per inch. With Corning's 5th-generation Gorilla Glass and DC dimming technology, you don't have to worry about screen graininess, ensuring a crisp and clear visual experience. When it comes to connectivity, the GPD Win 4 has you covered. It supports the IEEE 802.11a, b, g, n, AC, AX standards, with dual-band capabilities for 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz frequencies. The maximum transmission rate is up to 2402 megabits per second, and it includes Bluetooth 5.2. For even more connectivity, you can optionally add a 4G LTE module, compatible with nano SIM cards. The device supports a wide range of network types, including 4G, 3G, and 2G. Powering this beast is a large capacity battery of 45.62 watt-hours with a voltage of 3.85 volts. Depending on your usage, the battery life ranges from about 2 hours under heavy use, 3 to 6 hours with moderate use, and up to 10 hours with light use. This flexibility ensures you can enjoy gaming or productivity on the go. One of the handy features of the GPD Win 4 is its easy system recovery process. If you ever run into software or driver issues, simply long press the power button for 2 to 3 seconds to boot up the laptop. Press the Tab key when you see the power LED, and you'll enter the system recovery page. From there, touch the Start icon and wait for the automatic reinstallation process to resolve any problems. And there you have it, our top 5 mini laptops for 2024. Each of these devices offers unique features and powerful performance in a compact package. Whether you're looking for portability, high performance, or a blend of both, one of these mini laptops is sure to be a perfect fit. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews and updates. Drop a comment below with which mini laptop caught your eye, or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.